Okay, so which e-ink tablet should you buy? Possibly you're having a real hard time deciding between a few of the top choices in the e-ink tablet category. In this video, I'm going to try and make the choice incredibly simple for you. If you want a productivity e-ink tablet, then the Boox Tab Ultra is going to be the choice for you. They've made some changes to the user interface, which makes it more like an Android style operating system. Things like widgets are going to make this a much better productivity powerhouse, and the keyboard case is excellent too. If you're looking to buy an e-ink tablet and your primary use case is learning and note-taking, then I would strongly suggest the Note Air 2 Plus. It's the Boox device again. It's got a lot of the same features as the Tab 10 Ultra. Testing side by side with the Tab Ultra, this is actually an excellent device still. Although it doesn't have that extra GPU power, the screen is still performing really well. So this is still a great choice for learning and note-taking. If you're looking to buy an e-ink tablet and your main use case is going to be reading, then I think the Kindle Scribe is going to be the choice for you. I think it's going to be a fantastic reader with that 300 dpi screen, the paperwhite screen with the auto light levels and all of the excellent reading features on Kindle. It's going to be a great choice. If your primary use case is drawing, then the choice is Remarkable. This is actually an amazing tool for artists. You can produce some really fantastically detailed line art here, and the drawing tools on Remarkable are excellent. Also a great choice as a simple notebook and for making hand-drawn diagrams. And lastly, if you're a writer, then the choice is clear. It's Supernote still. Supernote is designed for those who write, and it really does feel like a premium notepad, but with some excellent digital features, including amazing handwriting recognition and a really natural feel with some premium accessories like cases and pens. I hope that helps you make the decision. I know it can kind of be agony, and I understand that there's a feeling of, well, what if I buy this thing and then I immediately wish I bought a different one? Well, I can tell you that all of these devices are excellent, and that I'm certain if you buy one, you're going to get along well with it, enjoy using it, and not have that buyer's remorse or regret or wish that you'd bought a different one. So buy with confidence.